In this video, I will show you how to draw red circle in Word like this. So easy and quick way. Click on Insert, Shape and select this oval. Now press and hold Shift key and draw your circle. Now shape fill, so select No Fill. Shape outline, so in the weight can select any size. And in the color select red. Once you click on more lines, so here are some more settings. You can increase the point thickness for this circle like this. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. That's it.